Broadcasting live from his mom's basement, this is Chud News. This is a breaking Chud News announcement. Brandon Herrera under new allegations that he's not a neo-Nazi and that he's not a racist. This has sent shockwaves through the community. The neo-Nazi community is now pulling support and pulling funding. This is a key demographic in this race. I spoke moments ago with John Menadino, Handsome Truth. Now, Brandon Herrera is supposed to speak later today on this, and he will be clarifying whether or not he really is a neo-Nazi or not. But right now, very strong allegations against Mr. Herrera that he's not really a neo-Nazi. Handsome Truth slamming Herrera today. A direct quote from Handsome Truth, "You're not a real Nazi, GTFO out of here." An actual quote from Handsome Truth. The future looks uncertain for Mr. Herrera. Can he win this race without this demographic? That's something we'll be keeping our eye on as we get closer to the election. We're awaiting for word from Gypsy Crusader on how he feels about this issue. I spoke with several Nazis today, and they're absolutely devastated by Brandon Herrera and his lack of commitment to the Nazi cause. He's definitely, the Nazis are definitely pulling funding. You're definitely going to see a decrease in turnout for Nazis. You're not going to see as many Nazis voting. Brandon Herrera, again, losing a key demographic. In other news, Benjamin Netanyahu appears to be only making public appearances via AI slop, but it doesn't matter because boomers are convinced that AI slop is real. I spoke to one Israeli official today who said, "These dumb boomer goys will believe anything." I asked that same official, how do you feel about Gen Z and basically the rest of the world knowing that this is AI slop? To which they replied, "The boomers have 50% of the money, they're all we care about." I spoke to Boomer Billy just moments ago, and Boomer Billy was quoted as saying, "I don't care what they do as long as they don't cut off my Social Security." A new study reveals drinking sugar-free Monster energy drinks gives you headaches when you masturbate. This has been very pleasing to the NoFap crowd who drinks lots of Monster energy drinks and doesn't jack off that much. Also, this just in, Boondock Ballistician is wondering who the hell registered the domain name battyballistician.com. What's that about? That's kind of creepy. Is this some Rule 34 shit going on? The U.S. Army PSYOPs girl, Lujan, has just filed a restraining order against that guy that wears all the flecktarn. But she was reported as saying, "I do like his ghillie suit." Earlier this morning, Styx Hexenhammer was found holed up inside a New York City apartment. He had bodyguards with riot shields keeping an angry mob of Albanian women from banging down his door. According to reports, Styx Hexenhammer owes child support money to all these Albanian women. He apparently has over 40 children from a vacation he had in Albania back in 2012. Styx Hexenhammer reportedly said, "Please throw me in jail because I'll be safer in there than out here." Styx Hexenhammer finally cleared out the crowd using tear gas. I'll see you guys in the next one. This is Jordan Jareb. This is Chud News, signing off.